Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to make a demo about the zakat screen on the Bitaqwa project. So here as a code of zakat screen, yeah, here we come to a zakat. So what is this code means? So this code This further code defines our screen name zakat screen, calculates zakat amount with zakat. It takes a user total wealth as input and calculates the required zakat amount based on the minimum threshold. There is a key component functionally state and variable as a control rupiah MoneyMask text controller used for the text file input automatically formatting the text as currently Indonesia rupiah, with a dot as the thousand separator total harta a double that store the clean numeral value of the user total wealth after removing formatting initialize to zero. Zakat dikeluarkan. Ya, for zakat dikeluarkan, a store to calculate zakat amount to be paid initialize to be zero, and there's a minimum harta, so at least you put at 50, 85 millions of rupiah. In it is the minimum of harta zakat harta, correct? And the zakat calculation, hitting zakat here. Yeah, clean input is remove the thousand characters from the text field to get a clean numerical string. Clean value pairs value as convert clean value to a double input value. Check this up. Yeah, check this up. Threshold it checks the input value is the greater than or equal to the minimum 85 million. If Nisab is wait, I show you. Oh, hard to search. So I just copy. So if Nisab is after total harta and calculate zakat Quran as 2.5% of the input value to export value to 2.5 or 100. It then format put about into the Indonesian rupiah currency formats format using number format currency for display. With this app, it display an alert dialog warning to the user starting the that the total world belum mencapai hisap 85 gram has not reached the nisab trace of the 85 gram of gold. Alright, let me explain with this code. Which one? Yeah, from here. Yeah, double total harta and then zakat dikeluarkan, and we got a minimum of zakat, so we need to 85 million of rupiah to put on the website, and we got a code this code for calculate zakat. So there is a format zakat dikeluarkan and total harta, and this the alert. So if the nisab has an 85 gram, so there's an alert peringatan total belum mencapai hisap 55 gram. They will show, and then there is a call that a button. Okay, so means you need to put 85,000 every 85 millions of rupiah, and then this a size for the button. So for total harta is size one side with a 14 and 4 family 4.1 medium, and we just with a hike with a 16, and then we can control the rupiah and then can keyboard type here, and we can use the font size. Yes, there is masukkan total harta there. There's this button we should masukkan total harta, and there's rupiah, and with a circular of 12, yeah, with a circle of 12, with a width of 2, yeah. So the main point, this code as for a zakat screen, I'll assume, but yeah, this for okay if you already put 85 million of rupiah, you can click OK and they will calculate the zakat dikeluarkan and then the call that program and total harta. Alright. Well, we just called result. Yeah, we just called result. It's from this one. That's from this one. So what is mean by this code? Alright. So this particular code defines a reliable UI widget called card card result card result harta. Its primary function is to serve as a display component for showing a title and a result value, like likely a monetary amount given the context of harta or wealth within a visual distinct colored card in your application key function and purpose. Responsibility status widget as a sub-widget is designed to be easily used across different parts of the application, particularly in screens that need to present calculate results like a zakat calculator in the previous context. Display data. It takes three required parameters to customize its appearance and context. There's a title, result, and color. Title or string, label, or description for the result. So harta zakat dikeluarkan. Result, the actual value to be displayed 100 million of rupiah, and color, the background color of the card, allowing different results to be visual distinguished. Yeah, visual styling and layout is a container with rounded corners, where radius 12 is its internal padding 12 horizontally, 16 vertically. To keep content space, the content is laid out vertical in a column with the next centered. The title text is styled with the province medium font white color. The result text is permanently displayed below this title, styled with the bolder principal font and white color.
Bilang sangat pas untuk para orang
And
Indonesia karena
here as
tingginya nggak
a
tinggi-tinggi banget
diagram
dan beratnya
screen
juga nggak berat-berat
with
banget. Dan
column
poin terpentingnya adalah harganya juga nggak mahal-mahal banget. Bertahun 2022 dengan aksesoris pengamanan dan proteksi
and
yang sangat banyak di
screen
motor ini. Di
backup.
atas ada SW Motek, di sini ada crash bar yang sangat gagah untuk menghindari tanah kalau motor ini jatuh.
Well,
Nah, di bagian
wait,
depan
wait.
sudah juga dipasangkan ada beberapa lampu fog lamp, guys. Jadi untuk malam pasti terang banget nih motor. Nah, di bagian cockpit speedometer sudah full TFT color dan ada tambahan AUX, guys. Ini fungsinya untuk membaca
Wait,
maps dan juga
can
ada
do so
dashcam-nya. Ini mantap banget, guys. Siap buat
here
direkco. Buat kalian yang hobi keliling Indonesia, gue sarankan
as a
Versys adalah
string of
jawabannya, guys. Worth it banget.
as a string function. So
Motor
UI
adventure terpas dan tercocok
uh,
untuk para orang Indonesia.
UI
Dan ini
of
dia adalah
the
Kawasaki Versys
of
650
the data
all new.
screen. Okay, and we call masukkan total harta. So there is a sign that we need to
Kenapa gue bilang
enter
sangat pas untuk para orang
our
Indonesia? Karena
our
tingginya
harta,
nggak tinggi-tinggi
and then
banget dan
there is
beratnya
icon
juga
of
nggak
rupiah
berat-berat banget. Dan poin terpentingnya adalah harganya juga nggak
with a
mahal-mahal banget.
circular of
Bertahun
12,
2022
and
dengan
we
aksesoris
fill
pengamanan
color
dan
with the
proteksi yang sangat
color
banyak
white,
di motor ini.
and
Di atas ada SW Motek,
yeah,
di sini ada crash bar yang sangat
and
gagah
there is
untuk menghindari tanah
total
kalau
of
motor ini
harta
jatuh.
with a
Nah, di bagian
context
depan
for
sudah juga
60,
dipasangkan ada
and with
beberapa
this
lampu fog
we
lamp,
can,
guys. Jadi
and
untuk
then
malam
there's a
pasti terang
press of
banget di
okay
motor.
if we
Nah, di
already
bagian cockpit speedometer
put
sudah full
85
TFT color
million,
dan ada tambahan
so
AUX,
we
guys.
can
Ini fungsinya
press
untuk
okay,
membaca maps dan Dan juga
alright,
ada
until it's not
diskennya.
come
Mantap banget
to
guys. Siap untuk
sign
belanja.
that
Buat kalian yang homecoming
alert,
Indonesia,
I mean
usahakan
the
Fansis
alert,
adalah jawabannya
um,
guys. Worth it banget.
until the alert doesn't come again
Motor adventure
into
terpas
the
dan
screen.
tercocok
Alright,
untuk para orang Indonesia. Dan ini dia
this
adalah Kawasaki
for
Fansis
so long
650
we use
all new.
color red inside, and there is a zakat dikeluarkan, so it's for um
Kenapa gue bilang sangat pas untuk para orang Indonesia?
until
Karena
we
tingginya
calculate
nggak tinggi-tinggi
this
banget
is
dan beratnya
button,
juga nggak
and there's
berat-berat
a
banget. Dan
button,
poin
so
terpentingnya adalah
yeah,
harganya juga nggak
with the
mahal-mahal
color red
banget. Bertahun
for
2022 dengan
for
aksesoris
the
pengamanan
button,
dan
and
proteksi
then
yang sangat banyak di
with the
motor ini.
purple for
Di
the
atas
this
ada
zakat
SW
dikeluarkan.
Motek, di sini
Alright,
ada crash bar yang sangat gagah untuk
yeah,
menghindari tanah
we
kalau motor
and
ini
also we
jatuh.
use
Nah, di bagian
an
depan sudah juga
an
dipasangkan
image
ada beberapa
the
lampu fog lamp guys. Jadi
for
untuk
the we'll call that for the for a zakat screen. Alright, maybe this time I will show you what it look like the the application. So here, alright, before we next to the application, I will show you the mandate. So basically the mandate is like I said the previous one added to us. So here as the mandate there is a title of the or the name of the application is, I don't know, Bitaqua. And also here's so this for code for sign the application, so we can easily to click the icon and we can see the inside. So here you can see I made the code by zakat code, so you can see the inside of the inside of the application. Alright, is the application. Yeah, there is like I said before, there's a four function of this. So adalah zakat, adalah kajian, dan jalur salat. When it comes to zakat, you can see this the bottom, this the fill is the green as a green, and we're talking about harta. Okay, and yeah, for example, we put as 50,000, and we keep press okay. Yeah, it's this is the alert peringatan total belum mencapai hisap 65 gram. So we need to add 85 million of rupiah, and they will calculate, yeah, as a total uang 85 million, and what we need to dikeluarkan, ya zakat dikeluarkan, so it's around 2 million, yeah, as 2,125,000, 2,125,000 of rupiah, not millions of rupiah, this 2 million of rupiah. So maybe, yeah, that will what be all for me. So I hope I got save video for my teachers.
malam pasti
But that,
terang banget nih
that will
motor.
be all for me.
Nah, di bagian cockpit
So
speedometer
yeah,
sudah
I think I will end this video with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.